So in this video, I'm going to tell you why only 1% entrepreneurs get massive success in their life. Okay, I'm Pranshul Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur, and influencer marketing specialist. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can switch to that 1% entrepreneurship group in your company or whatever business you are doing to get massive amount of success in your life. Okay, so let's start the video. First step is that leadership is the thing you need to learn and implement in your business or in your job, whatever the thing you are doing. Because if you want to go far, you can go along with yourself. But if you want to go furthest, you have to go with a bunch of people who will support you or who will do work for you. Because let's say you acquire that skill, okay, you can do work from that skill, but how long you can do work from that? There is a certain time that you are not able to do that amount of work. But if you have a bunch of people who acquired that much skills or who have knowledge about that thing, they can do that type of work for you. You just have to pay them. Okay, you just have to pay them, and all the work they can handle on their own self. Okay, you must search out the people who can increase the sales in your business, increase the revenue in your business, or help to expand to a massive level. Okay, I am always talking about the level and massive level, because massive level is the thing you need to implement or get in your business. Let me ask you one question. You are doing business to generate $1,000 in a month, or you are doing business to generate $1 million a month? There's a difference. $1,000 is just a value, and $1 million is massive value. You have to go for massive value. Second thing, in the leadership quality, you must learn. You have to take care of those people. Okay, you have to take care of those people. Let's say you search out the people who can do work for you in that business or in that entrepreneurship journey, but you are not good with them. You are just taking out work from them, and you are just paying for them, but you are not able to build out a relationship with them. Will these people will work for you after to a long period of time? Just think over it. Definitely not. They will not do work with you to a much longer period of time. But if you are taking care of them and helping them to solve out their problems, they will definitely stick to you and help you to generate more amount of revenue in your business, and will support you in each and every pathway of your life. Okay, so what you can do in that phase, you just have to build a relationship with them. Search out the people you need in your business. That's your responsibility. That's your responsibility how to lead them and how to take work from them. That's the main thing. If you are not able to take work from them, you search out the peoples. You search out the right peoples you need in your business, but you are not able to carry out work from them. They are just reckless. Just fire them. Just fire them or enhance your leadership quality. That's how your business grow. Okay, that's how your business grow. Let me give you an example. When Steve Jobs is no more, there's a person, Tim Cook, who uh, who take the responsibility of CEO in the Apple company, and the products are manufacturing from the Apple are take care by that CEO Tim Cook, and he just took the Apple revenue to a new level. Okay, so you have to know how to carry out work from the people who already acquired that skill. Second thing is that patience is the key to lock all the problems. Lock the problems or unlock the problems. Lock the problems. Why you need to handle with all problems? If you have experience, you know which thing comes as a hurdle in my journey and how I can take care of that thing. If you have experience, you can better take care of that thing, and it can save your time, effort, as well as money. Okay, macro patience is the thing you need in your business, because there is a time when your business goes up or down. That's your patience level, how you can take care of your community to get stable in that period of time. Because this thing takes time. Sometimes a business takes up to a year, up to 2 years, or up to 5 years, or up to 10 years to get massive amount of success, but it takes patience. Okay, you have to understand that it takes a lot of learnings to boost up your business, because Without learning, you can't earn, right? That's the second secret I want to tell you. If you want to know the secret, what you have to do? Come closer, come closer. If you want massive success in your journey, just get some learning, and this will help you to make much more earning. Without learn, you can't earn. Okay, you have the secret. Now implement on this, because when you have too much patience and you can try a lot of things and implement them in your business or in your journey, you know which thing works, which doesn't, and you know which thing works. You have to pursue that thing to further in your journey, and this will help you to build out your business or build out your journey in a positive way. Okay, patience is the thing you need, because when your team is doing a lot of work, you are doing a lot of work and you are not getting too much results. All the results you must acquire in that journey by doing that much efforts. If you are not getting results, your motivation gets down, your team demoralized. You have to take care of them in that phase. You have to help them and teach them what is the meaning of patience, because everything takes time to build out. You are doing a new thing, you are just creating a new thing. It takes time. You have to understand that factor. Patience is the factor you have to tackle each and every phase of your business. So always work on that factor, and I can give you an example of that. Do you know about Richard Branson? Yeah, Richard Branson, who is a billionaire. He established his company Virgin Group, and it takes him 20 years, really 20 years, to build out that massive revenue. Now he has everything in his company, like in sales, in travel department, in food and accessories department, everything he owns. But it takes him 20 years to reach out that level. It takes patience to build out massive things. Okay, so always be patient in your journey and learn a lot. Learn a lot, implement a lot, and you know which thing works, which doesn't, and this will help you to grow out your business. Third thing is that without hungriness you can't grow. Hungry uh, for learnings, hungry for the massive success. That's how you create. Third point is that hungry for success. If you are not hungry for success, then the massive success don't come for you. Okay, you have to take massive actions. You have to take a lot of actions and to try a lot of things to get massive success, because when you are trying a lot of things, something works, some doesn't. So why you have to take care of the things which are not working? Always focus on the things which works, and you have to enhance the capability of the persons to work on those things to massively. Okay, because when you are hungry for success, you learn a lot, you implement a lot, and you get too much results. Okay, the people who have too much faith on their self and they know how their business gets that much success, they don't get demoralized easily. Okay, they know that there are some phases when their business go up and go down. They know which phase they know which amount of phase is coming and how to tackle it in that situation. Okay, and they don't believe on earning per share, they believe on building franchises. That's how your business go in each and every country. And when you have a business in each and every country, too much people are approaching you, and when too much people are approaching you, approximate 50 to 40% gets converted for your product or services, and that's how the sales department gets boosted and your business gets a massive revenue. You have to understand that the thing that there is a finest line between motivated peoples and a negative peoples, only a thin fine line. Okay, you have to convert those negative peoples into motivated one, because you hired them for some work, and what you are paying for them, you are paying them to do some work, and they are not doing that amount of work. That's by working in this space, that's how your business grow? Definitely not. You have to cut out those people. Either you have to motivate them to get into the category of motivated one, or either you have to cut out from your company, because you are paying for them. You have the responsibility to fire and hire the people. If the people have the skill and are not working, how that person will grow in his or her life? Okay, there is a saying, people from the modest background always gets massive success in their life, or always gets too much success in their life, because they know the value of money, and they also know it takes a lot of hard work to get something which they don't have. If you want to get that thing which is acquired by the peoples who learned a lot, who did a lot in their journey, you have to do the same. You have to go for that path also, or you can find an easiest way, but it takes a lot of learning to achieve that thing. And the secret number 3 to get massive revenue in your business. If you want to know the secret, you know what you have to do. Come closer, come closer. Just focus on the platforms where people are mostly active. Okay, that's you know the secret. Just implement on it. If you are available on the platforms where mostly people are active, you can give them exposure about your product or service, about your company. And if you are giving them exposure, it takes at least 6 to 7 exposures to the people to convert in your methodology. Because if the people gets exposure repeatedly, he or she gets trust on your company. And when he or she starts gaining trust about your product or service, he or she will definitely buy. Okay, always focus on to give maximum exposure, and you can give these massive exposures, repeated exposures, by approaching on the platforms where the mostly people are active, like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. These 5 platforms are the hottest platform. And there is one more, Quora. I'm not sponsoring any platform. I'm just telling you on which platforms you can work, and how you can boost up your business. Okay. If you like my video, if you like the learnings I'm giving to you, just subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to get the video by first, because there are a lot of people watching my video, and they know if they implement the learnings what I am telling you, they gonna boost up their business up to a new level. If you want to do the same, if you want to boost up your business by first, just tap on the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, you will get my video first. And when you saw the video, you just have to implement those techniques. Just like the video and share to the persons who really want to succeed in their life, in their entrepreneurship journey, in their influencer journey, or in their business.